welcome back to my channel. So today I'm continuing on with my Disney villain series that I'm splitting between here and my Instagram, which is linked down below at Playing with Lightning. Go follow me. Yesterday I did Jafar, and today I am doing the original villain herself, the Evil Queen, who is on my shirt with a bunch of other lovely Disney villains. So if you guys want to see more Disney villains type content, make sure you subscribe to me on here and go follow my Instagram. I'm doing 10 Disney villain looks in the next 10 days, and I'm also doing 100 days of makeup. So if you want to see how to get this fierce purple villainous glittery glam look, then just keep watching. So I am going to start with my eyes. They are already primed. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a big fluffy brush and go into this eggplant color in my Lorac Mega Pro 3 palette. And we are going to apply this all over the eyelid. And I'm kind of using little patting motions just so I don't get a whole lot of fallout and keep this pretty clean. So we're gonna start it there and we're gonna bring it all the way up to the crease. Now we're going to prep for the glitter. I'm just going to take a little bit of glitter glue and tap this just on the lid, so just up to the crease space basically, maybe a little bit under the crease. What I'm going to be using is Juicy from Sin Cosmetics, and this is just like a really pretty deep purple. So I'm going to take this on a very tiny flat brush, because this, first of all, this brush just picks up so much glitter when I dip it in, but it also keeps the glitter in place. So I put my mirror underneath and kind of stretch my eyelid out and then press on top of where I put the glue. Now I'm going to be taking a white eyeliner. This is the NYX Liquid Matte Eyeliner. I'm going to kind of look down for this part so I can see exactly where my crease is, and right above that purple we're going to wing it out and go right along the top of the glitter. Now that we have the white liner done, I'm going to do just a regular old black wing liner on the actual liner line, lash line, top lash line. Toss on a little bit of mascara. I'm not going to do lashes because I don't want it to cover up any of the detail work that we've done. So now I have my eyebrows done, and I pulled my hair into a bun because I really didn't know what kind of style the Evil Queen has. I don't think you ever see her hair until she turns into the Hag and it grows and it's very gray. She always has her hood on, so I just went with a bun because I thought it kind of gave me that like pulled back look like her face is. So on the lower lash line, I'm going to take some yellow. This is the Hot Yellow from NYX, and we're going to put that right along the outer waterline, just to give us that pop of yellow. I'm going to take this eyeliner. This is from Avon actually, and it is called Burgundy Shock, and it is like a purpley eye pencil, and we're going to go in the waterline with this. So now I'm going to contour. I'm using a much smaller contour brush than before, and I am going to dip into the darkest color of my nude wear kind of quad here, and we're going to go in right here, so right under that cheekbone, and we are going to just blend it in circular motions. I'm going to take my big fan brush with nothing on it, for blush I'm going to use Bella Bamba, so kind of sticking within the same kind of shimmery palette, but just again using it to kind of contour, so bringing it back. So I'm going to take Heroin Pencil from MAC, and we're going to line our lips And I'm going to try and kind of change my lip shape a little bit here. Instead of lining the corners of the mouth really tightly up to where they can naturally meet the top lip, I brought them in just a little bit. And then my bottom lip, if you can see, is just resting on the line. The top lip I'm going to make pointed. For the final color, I am going to use Amethyst from NYX. It's a liquid suede. And I'm going to wipe off a lot of the product just so I can build it gradually with this shape. So this is the finished Evil Queen look. If you guys like this video and want to see more from me, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Comment down below who your favorite Disney villain is. And I will see you guys on Wednesday with another villain look.